Hello and welcome to our day number 14 of our letter challenge for February 2019. And happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I hope you have a great day today and every day of your life, of course. Okay, today we are lettering Love is Inclusive. And what a perfect quote for today, doesn't it? For today's piece, we are using the most beautiful colored pencils that you have. And I will be using also a fine liner, ink fine liner, to trace some words. For the paper, I am using marker paper from Canson. This is very smooth. And I did the layout, as you can see, and I will be copying it, but I will be change this layout. I will just be taking the shape, the head shape, but I will be doing something else. You will see it. Enjoy the process. Let's do this and have very much fun. Now we are gonna repeat this with all the colors. And now it's done! The magic of time travel. And now it's done. Let me know in the comments if you like it. I hope you do so. And thank you for being here. Have a great day. Love is inclusive. Bye.